Mwari Murizuva Redu Rinopenya pauzuru hasi mweya ungaone Paunozofamba napo. Munotipa ngoni dzenyu, Munotipa neutsvene, Munopa ivo vanonamata, Munopa Makomborero, Makomborero, edenga, Ariko, avanofunga, Kuti Vanodiswa. Hallelujah, 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 amen, hallelujah, hallelujah, you fight my battles. I will fear no evil, for you are with me. You are with me. Hallelujah. The word of God in Isaiah 43 verse 18 to 19, it says, "Remember not the former things, nor consider the things of the old. Behold, I am doing a new thing, now it springs forth. Do you not perceive it? Do you not perceive it? I will make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert." Am I preaching? I want to preach to somebody today that God is saying, remember not the former things. Remember not your problems, your past problems. Remember not your mistakes. Or remember not that past, that last success. It can be a hindrance to what God is about to do, because you're just remembering that old thing. No, consider the things of the old. Behold, I love this part. Behold, I am doing a new thing. So God is saying, behold, I am. He didn't say, behold, I will. He didn't say, behold, I did. He said, behold, I am and doing a new thing. Be conscious of this, that God, even if when you are not seeing it, God is working in the background. He is working in the background. He is a way maker. He said, behold, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs forth. Do you not perceive it? So sometimes you're not perceiving what God is doing in this season because you're focusing on the wrong things. Sometimes you may not perceive what God is doing in your life because your focus is on your problems. Your focus is on your circumstances. It reminds me of Peter. You know, Peter is walking upon the waters. It was through faith that he was walking upon the waters. But he made a mistake that he instead of keep on focusing on Jesus, he put his focus on other things. He's now looking at the waters. He's now thinking, with all these waters, how am I walking? working. So I want you for you to be able to perceive, for you to be able to know and be sensitive to what God is doing. You need to focus on the right things. So that's focusing on Jesus, focusing on things that are above, on spiritual things. So do I have somebody? God is saying, behold, I am doing a new thing. It doesn't matter what is going on in your life right now. I need you to believe it and perceive that. Look with God's lenses. You know, sometimes you might be going through trials. You feel like you are going through the worst. But if you look through God's lenses, I love the guy Joseph in the Bible. If you read the story of Joseph, his brothers sold him, but after they sold him, you know, he forgave his brothers because he knew that, he said, whatever that is going on is happening for the good. You know, God has it. God has planned it all. So sometimes what you are going through, if you are seeing with God's lenses, you will see that what you are going through is not really a problem. What you are going through is not too big before God. God can, that mountain can be removed. You know, with faith we can move mountain. That mountain can move. It's not really something that is so big. So I love this part. I will make a way in the wilderness. You know, if you talk of a wilderness, it's an empty, a pathless area or a region, an area that is uninhabited, an area that is uncultivated, and an area that is unfit for casual habitation. So maybe you're going through wilderness. You have nobody's with you, no friends. You are in a place where it's only you who has to make that decision. You are by yourself. Nobody is supporting you. But God is saying, in that wilderness, in that pathless season, in that season where there seems to be no way, I will make a way. So I need you to believe. I need you to perceive what God is doing in this season. I need you to perceive what God is doing. He said, behold, I am doing a new thing. Unimaginable things that your mind can't comprehend. So which means you have your spirit, you have to be sensitive to the things of the spirit. Because sometimes if you look, do not lean on your own understanding. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Do not lean on your own. Sometimes our understanding, they don't take us anywhere. So if you can perceive with the spirit, I want you to make that prayer that God, I want to see with your lenses what you are doing. Behold, I am doing a new thing. Behold, I am doing a new thing. Maybe you're having a wilderness experience. A wilderness is a place of desperation. That's where God meets our deepest needs. In that place of desperation, in that place of need, there is God who is there to fight your battles. There is God who is there to provide. There is God who is there. He is there with you.